Let's head into the kitchen and get started. We are going to take a simple banana and turn it into a dessert that's not only sweet and enjoyable, but also healthy and easy to make. You are going to love these. First things first, gather 2 ripe bananas, a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of mini marshmallows, and if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, some crushed graham crackers for coating. Begin by peeling the bananas and slicing them into 1/2 inch thick rounds. Lay half of these banana slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now here's where the magic happens. Place a few chocolate chips and mini marshmallows on top of each banana slice. Oh my goodness, are you seeing it come together? Now let's top each banana slice with another slice, forming a neat little sandwich. Insert a toothpick through the center of each banana sandwich to secure them together. This will make them easier to handle later on. Next, go ahead and place the baking sheet in the freezer and patiently wait for at least 1 hour. Remember, you want the banana sandwiches to be firm. Once they're frozen, remove them from the freezer. Almost there, so hang on. Roll the frozen banana sandwiches into the crushed graham crackers I spoke of earlier. This step is optional, but it does add a delightful crunch and extra flavor. Finally, serve the frozen banana s'mores bites immediately. You are now all done, and you, my friend, have just made a refreshing sweet treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth without any guilt. If you enjoyed this video today, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching today, my friend. And until next time, please be kind and love one another.